This is a collection of the lettuces that I have from 2012, and I've used a few of them. Some of them have never been used. So I'm making a mixture of all of these lettuces that I have, a mixed seed package of my own. And I will use them in a row, in a drill, in the allotment. And we will see how they will do. I'm making a mixture of all of this, and I will show you the mix. Okay, these are the pile of the empty packets, and this is the seed mixture that I have made. So that will be our own seed mix. Okay, I was going to pack this salad mix, lettuce mix seeds, that I noticed that I have a lot of more of the different lettuce salads. So I'm going now to mix them and add them to this special mix that I have made. It's a cocktail of all the seeds, salad seeds that I have. So I'll just go through all of them for the sake of the record to see what we have here. This is a good one. I really enjoyed it. I think I planted it in 2013. Now I'm going to mix all of them into this. These are the seeds, salad lettuce seeds, and I'm going to sow them now. Let me take a picture of it. As you can see, I've sown the seeds very thickly. Hoping that some of them will germinate. We will see. I'm now going to cover it and then water it again.